Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hayati. So, today I will review the literature. The literature is the importance of interactive learning media in new civilization era. So, first, introduction. The pandemic guest testing of distance education, almost which has never been carried out simulation before for all elements for education, namely students, teacher, to parents. Given that during a pandemic, time, location, and distance are currently big problems, so that distance learning becomes a solution to overcome difficulties in implementing face-to-face learning. The use of multimedia as teacher creativity and support distance learning efforts. One of them is the use of interactive learning media as an effort to develop distance learning. One of the objective of learning with interactive multimedia is to replace and or complement and support the elements, objective, materials, methods, and assessment tools that exist in the teaching and problem and learning process in conventional education system that we usually do. Coronavirus disease 2019, which has had countries globally, has its impact and challenge for education institutions, especially universities, to prevent the wider spread of COVID-19. The government has banned mass crowding, social distancing, and and physical distancing. Through of the Ministry of Education and Culture, the government of Indonesia has prohibited universities from conducting face-to-face or conventional lectures for an irrespective amount of time and replacing them with online lecturers. So next methods. First, internal analysis and research. Nah, in the first step, we undertake a needs analysis and internal research. The output of this step is a description of the MPI to be developed. The result of this step will then be as the basis for designing the MPL. MPI requirements analysis is a systematic process of determining the goal or target of the desired condition in the presence of MPI, then analyzing how much the gap is between the target and the current condition, and finally determining the priority of the required solution. Next, design. In this step, we do instructional design, flowchart creation, screen design, and storyboard creation. The output of this step is design documentation, which contains an outlet, flowchart, and produce MPI. From the result of the task analysis is the first stage. We can design outline of the material and the square of each material according to the analysis of learning outcomes. Next, results and discussion. The result of this study is a product of valid, practical, and effective to sparing interactive media that students can use in understanding flat analysis geometry materials. This research course took several steps as follows: analysis stage, research and formal analysis of the need of product learning media that match student need in a flat analysis geometric courses. At the time of initial observation, researchers saw that students were less interested and confused following lecturers. Lecturers still looked dominant to that students were less active in innovate, and this had not seen any use of learning media according to student needs and conditions. So this the focus of research to development learning media. The design stack, the result of the needs analysis, is arranged the end process into a design that will be used a reference for the manutentions and learning advancement at the stage research design learning media by considering the fallacy by the content or material language and presentation. Besides, research also take the participant in mathematics and development media can foster interest and horizontally the imagination in the process of learning activities. The original product has been created, validated, and inputted by materials experts. The media experts' validation result can be used as reference for improvement in order for the product to original purpose. Here are the validation result of material experts and media experts with interaction adapt from namely content, algebra, language, and presentation. So for the rest, conclusion and limitation. Based on the formulation of the problems and the results of the study described above, the matches concluded this study produced pairing interactive media product of the alternative of online learning media during the COVID-19 pandemic is worth it using based on the validated result of the experts with greatest worth us and based the assessment of the lecturers and students by obtaining criteria is feasible. The media contains support by images, video, animation, quiz, and answer keys to help students learn independently. Regardless of the result of the above study, research recommend that more in-depth research be done to improve the produced product. Research realized that there are still many shortcomings during the study from start to finish and can be used as reference in developing other learning media. The importance of implementing interactive learning media is that it affect learning objective. The steps taken are easy to do and make it easier for the teacher and right on target. The step-on process of using the right interactive multimedia with proper use as a message medium that will stimulate student talks, feeling, concern, and desires to unlock the students' learning process to be more content. The use interactive learning media used by teacher and so student can learn actively. The stage of implementing interactive multimedia in learning are introduced or program introduced, including the program title or title page, learning form or grade, presentation objective, interaction, knowledge, priority stimulation or operation in the form of knowledge stimulation, internal control, presentation of information, include presentation model or presentation model, length of presentation text, graphic and animation, color and usage, question of response or question and response, and judging response, assessment of response. This is what makes multimedia learning media important to do and apply. So, thank you guys. I hope you understand what I mean. So, bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.